Hi everyone and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a very special casting from Hot Wheels, the Bruiser HYX34, part of the 2025 HW Reverse Rake Series, number 91 out of 250. This casting stands out for its crazy stance, exaggerated exhausts, and wagon silhouette turned into a wild racer. The Bruiser first appeared in 2016 and quickly became a fan favorite thanks to its demolition derby vibe mixed with drag race aggression. This 2025 release comes in a striking pink livery with racing decals, golden rim details, and the typical exposed engine block on the hood. The real-life inspiration is the iconic Chevy station wagon, heavily modified for track and derby events. Under the hood, we're talking about a 5.7-liter V8 delivering around 250 horsepower, a length of more than 5 meters, a top speed close to 190 km/h, and an acceleration from 0 to 100 in about 8.5 seconds. For collectors, this model belongs to the HW Reverse Rake series, known for its exaggerated stance with a lifted rear and low front. That unique rake makes the casting look aggressive and instantly recognizable among other Hot Wheels. Unboxing this piece, we can admire details such as the flame decals, Goodyear branding, and the race number 1623. The interior is stripped down, reinforcing its competition and derby personality. The mix of toy-like exaggeration and real car heritage is what makes Hot Wheels so fascinating for us collectors. Whether you're into dioramas, track racing, or simply collecting iconic designs, the Bruiser is one of those castings that screams personality. Let's get it out of the blister and enjoy it in detail from every angle.